Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by measuring your lens cap or filter thread. You need a paper disc that fits snugly. Cut a circular template from black paper. This becomes your aperture mask. Next, mark the center and draw the shape you want for the bokeh, large circles or hearts, about 1/2 across for big discs. Once the shape is marked, use a sharp craft knife and a cutting mat to cut clean edges. Clean cuts keep bokeh shapes crisp and round. Attach the paper mask to the front of the lens with low-tack painter's tape. Align the cutout with the optical center so the shape is centered in frame. Once attached, switch to manual focus and open the aperture wide. This increases background blur and enlarges the bokeh. Then, compose with distant point lights or fairy lights. Focus in front of them so the lights fall out of focus. Make test shots and adjust mask positioning and finish by dialing in exposure. Use shutter speed and ISO to balance brightness while keeping the aperture wide. Bracketing helps. Once done, you can swap cutouts for different shapes and sizes to vary bokeh character. If you see vignetting or uneven shapes, make sure the mask is perfectly centered and edges are clean. Recut the hole or trim the disc diameter slightly. If highlights have harsh edges, move the camera farther from the lights or enlarge the cutout to soften and expand the bokeh.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.